Hello guys, welcome back to TriedCrunch, and in this short tutorial we are going to see how you can send a email message by using the select field. Out there you can see this product field is my select field, and I will be using the label of this field inside this message. So by default there is all fields shortcode that's grayed out, you can see. So we are going to use the label field because by default you can see it is taking the value of it. So let me show you the values of my select field first. So here's my product field. So here are all the options: mango, grapes and orange. That takes 100 value, 200 value and 300 value. And here's my quantity number field. So mango 100, so it's 200. It is 200 to the 400. Okay, perfect. So it's clear now. So we will be using this short form to send a message that contains the label instead of the value. So by default, let me show you the message that comes in. By default you can see the choose product is the label, and then it shows the 100 as a value, right? And the quantity 6 and 600 total amount. Perfect. But what we need to do, we need to get something like this. So the chosen product shows like orange. Perfect. And I have not used total value. I will use it in this now in this tutorial. So let me show you how you can do it. So by default this is the message, all fields, and you can customize it like this, and there are tips as well. So we are going to copy this out, and I have already copied it here and I have changed the IDs according to my form. So I have copied it and let me paste it out here in the message. And now you can see I have name, field name, email is equal to email, product is equal to this M product. M product is what my hidden field. So here you can see this product is equal to orange. So orange is coming from this hidden label field. Perfect. So you can see that this product field is having an ID of product, and I am linking this field with my hidden label field with this field ID product. Perfect. And now it will take out the label of this product field from this hidden label field. So you can use this hidden label field to fetch the label of any field, and it's very useful when you are using the select field. And now I can use this in my email template like this. I have used product, and in the value I could use product, but then it would show the value of product, which I don't want, because it will show like if I select mango, then it will show me 100 right here, but I want to show orange. I want to show the user the product that he has chosen and not the individual product amount. Perfect. So I have hidden that I want to hide the individual amount of these products. Perfect. So this way you can use it. And to show the total amount, I can also copy this out and paste it, and then change it to total amount, and then change the ID with my total amount field, that is an amount field. And here's my expression that takes out these two fields, product and quantity multiplied. So that comes out the total amount. Perfect. And the ID of it is this one. I can change it as well, but let's keep it because I will still get the value. So let me paste this out here, and let's update our form, and let's reload this, and let me name it out. let's choose a product like grapes this time and choose the quantity to 5, and now it comes 1000 because grapes had value of 200 into 5 is equal to 1000. And let's send the message. The form was sent successfully, and you can notice that let me reload this and show you that quantity field came out when I choose the product. So when it's blank, there will be no quantity field. When I choose mango, then the quantity field will come. So this was done using the conditional. Let me show you. So the quantity field, I have condition specified, like the quantity field will show only if the product field is not empty. Perfect. And you can hide the vice versa. So you can make it like product is equal to empty, then hide it. So these are like both the conditions will work the same way. And now I can see the message that has come in. Perfect. So this is a message. So you can see the total amount is also coming this time, and you can see the product chosen is grapes, the label of my product field, and this way you can use this. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and you can subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this, and don't miss to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.